da 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 da. Oh yeah, it's happening. All these rocks came off the far wall. The far wall is gone. There's this little, there's this little sliver in the front of a wall from the doorway to the corner that was taken out. These guys have been here for 4 hours this morning and managed to take this wall out, which was amazing, and dig down the earth out 2 meters and start setting the stones for the addition out, and managed to save the oven around. It's still intact. Needs to be cleaned up on this side, but it's intact. So awesome. So that's what I'm doing today. Just watching amazement happen right before my eyes.